something good to say about this man who's won the farmer's daughter and will soon become my son-in-law today. When I left 8 years ago, December, and it was hard to do, a mom and daddy too. But somehow we made a home of this old farmhouse, and love's all my baby ever knew. But he could be the richest man, 7 counties, and not be good enough to take her hand. But he says he really loves the farmer's daughter, and I know the farmer's daughter loves a man. How about Carmen? Guitar. Still there? Mama left 8 years ago, December, and it was hard to be a mom and daddy too. But somehow we made a home of this old farmhouse, and love's all my baby she ever knew. Well, he could be the richest man in 7 counties, and not be good enough to take her hand. But he says he really loves the farmer's daughter, and I know the farmer's daughter loves a man, and I know the farmer's daughter loves a man. Hey, the farmer's daughter. Yeah.
Great song, done well. Love you, George. You sound great. Paul?
Yes, sir.
Hit me with something.
Hit me with your best shot.
This halftime feel thing,
Another great song.
that swing lows from the chariot thing in the key of E.
Sway low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Sway low, sweet chariot, coming chariot coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot coming for to carry me home. Jimmy! Well, I'm sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. Still my soul feels heavenly bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Karma.
Do it again, do it again.
Well, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I'm a coming too, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home.
Oh,
yeah.
Good Sunday song.
I love it.
All right.
It's a little hot up here, folks, but we're still here at Bob Smith Toyota, downtown Lockwood Center. Bob Smith, my good friend Mike. Bob was the father who started it, I think, back in the 30s. Ended up in Hollywood, had a Volkswagen dealership and some other stuff. And my dad, back in the 50s, late 50s, knew Bob Smith. They were about the same age, and they did business together because we have upholstery businesses, and we would upholster this guy's seats on the used cars. He would send them to Dad, and he'd fix them up and go resell them. And now here it is 100 years later, and they're doing well. They're selling new Toyotas. You know what? They're still giving the Sardo family business, too. So the Smiths and the Sardos have been intertwined for a long time. Jerry, what do you got?
All right, I'm going to do a song here that I got from our good friend, Mr. Greg Topper,
Oh, God bless him.
who got it from Jerry Lee Lewis, who got it from Charlie Rich.
That's some lineage there, boy.
That's the lineage. In C. Ba-da-da-da-da. 1, 2, 3. Don't put no headstone on my grave. All my life Jimmy, come on. Give me a slow one. That's Jimmy Eaton, everybody. Come on, Carmen. Don't put no headstone on my grave. All my life I've been your slave. Don't want the world to know you are the man that loved you so. Mama, 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 now don't you cry. Gonna meet you in the bye-bye. I tell my papa I'm coming home. The way I feel, it won't be long. Come on, Carmen. George, you want one? Come on, Jimmy, play this thing. One more. Here we are. Don't put no headstone on my grave. All my life I've been your slave. I don't want the world to know you are the man that loved you so. Oh, we need a pretty one after that.
Nice harp playing too there, George.
Oh, thank you. Let's see.
We're having fun, folks. Hope you're enjoying the show. Tell your friends about it. Next week, we got Dan Hugott sitting in with us, so that's going to be fun. You can't do it? What are you talking about?
He's calling a sub.
Wait, go ahead. Tell me what you want to tell me. Wait a minute. You're leaving town for a week. On that Sunday. Forget about Dan Hugott. He'll never play here again, ever.
Guy's a bum.
Hey, Lynn Coulter, if you're watching the show, please be here next week at 4:30. We're going to miss you, Dan. We love you. Next time. We'll do it again.
Here's a Win Stewart song, great song by him. Let's see, we're going to try and do it here with a little bit of Another Day, Another Dawn.
1, 2, I want 2, 3, 4.
Another day, another dollar. Daylight comes and I'm on my way. Another day and another dollar. Working my whole life away. Boss told me I'd be paid weekly, and that's exactly how I'm paid. Another day and another dollar, working my whole life away. Well, let's see. From my family is my Thanksgiving. I love them more and more each day, and they're the reason that I'm living and working my whole life away. Another day, another dollar. Daylight comes and I'm on my way. Another day and another dollar, working my whole life away. Let's take it all right. Another day, another dollar. Daylight comes and I'm on my way. Another day and another dollar, working my whole life away. We're working my whole life away. Hey, all right.
I love country music, folks.
Oh, I got a Carmen request here for a Towns Van Zandt song. The key of D. And I'm hoping to get it right. And if I don't get it right, we'll do it again next week.
We might do it again tonight.
We might do that. Living on the road, my friend, is gonna keep you free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron, your breath's as hard as kerosene. You weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one, it seems. She began to cry when you said goodbye. Sank into your dream. Pancho was a bandit boy. His horse as fast as polished steel. He wore his the way it goes. All the federalists say we could have had him any day. We only let him slip away. Out of kindness, I suppose. Lefty, he don't sing the blues all night long like he used to. The dusty poncho bit down south, it ended up in Lefty's mouth. The day they laid poor Poncho low, Lefty split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. Ain't nobody knows. All the federalists say we could have had him any day. We only let him slip away. Out of kindness, I suppose. Poets tell how Pancho fell. Lefty's living in some cheap hotel. The desert's quiet, Cleveland's cold, and so the story ends, we're told. Now Pancho needs your praise, it's true. Save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Now he's growing old. All the federalists say could have had him any day. We only let him slip away. Out of kindness, I suppose. Few brave federalists say we could have had him any day. We only let him go so long. Out of kindness, I suppose. I don't think we have to do it again. I think that was good. That was,
I think it was decent. You know,
I remembered all the words. That's something.
Yeah, that's an accomplishment, huh?
a lot of B minors in that song.
That's a story song.
So, Jerry, you got one?
Well, I suppose I do.
I think you do.
All right, I'm going to practice another one here I would like to get right. Ramblin' Fever.
Oh.
In G. You set up that little...
I put my white pen down on my white paper. You ready?
G, right? Yep, that's right.
1, 2, 1, 2, go. My hat don't hang on the same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear the same old song. And I don't leave the highway long enough to bog down in the mud. I've got the rambling fever in my blood. But I got this rambling fever long ago, when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. Someone said I ever did a damn. They damn sure told you wrong. I've had this rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. There's times I like to bed down on the sofa, let some pretty lady rub my back, spend the early morning drinking coffee, talking about when I'll be coming back. 'Cause I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. I want to die along the highway and run away like some old highline pole. Restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Jimmy Eaton, everybody. Come on, Carmen. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. One more, Carmen. Yeah.
Rambling fever.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the thing.
Makes you want to feel like a rambling.
So you can't be here next week.
Reminds me of my old 62
Got
Rambler.
a great drummer sitting out there, and I can't use him next week. Wow. It's okay. Lynn Coulter, if you're watching the show, give me a call. Get your ass over here. Get your butt over here with me.
I think it's time we
Oh,
hear
wait,
from
it's
George some
George.
more. I tried to cut that song short, Carmen, because I thought I wanted to hear more George.
I do too. In fact, George, I think let's do 2 in a row this time. Come on, we're gonna work here. Go ahead.
Oh, boy. I don't know if I'm up to this hot. It's hot. Yeah, we can do that.
What was the one you said?
Waiting up.
Shoot up.
Waiting up on the
Hey, while they're sorting that out, is it your birthday today?
Tomorrow.
Jerry, is it your birthday today?
Tomorrow.
Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, let's get on with the show. No.
This is one of
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I did not know that.
Well,
you know who? You know who
I
would
guarantee
know?
you Susan
Susie
does.
would know that.
Susan knows
and,
everything.
But she wouldn't think to tell me today. She'll tell me tomorrow. Anyway, everybody out there, let's wish.
Somebody in Facebook land.
Eh, are they doing it already? Who? Give me some names. Anybody we know?
Susie Sardo,
Oh, Susie, of course.
Never heard of her.
Ron Epperson,
Do you know her?
Ron.
Steel Fan brother.
He's
Oh, nice.
Oh, Ron, of
Ron.
course. Thank you, Ron.
Also said, sounds good, George, but let's get going. Let's make some music.
Do some more music. Oh, the producer has spoken. We got to get back to work. George.
This is one of
Well,
one of
speaking
our
of Ron
hits.
Everson, I want to give him a shout out. He just had some surgery, but he's back at it.
God
he's
bless him.
sounding great.
Well,
as
our
ever.
thoughts will go out to him.
World
and
class
It's going to be
steel
good.
player. Absolutely.
Great.
Yeah. Okay, let's do Waiting Up, I guess. Here's a song called Waiting Up that it was on Enigma Records years ago, and that was with Dwight Yoakam and Rosie Flores and everybody, and I kind of got signed off that to Warner Brothers and this song, so it's about the only one I've made any money on. And that was a long time ago. It was like 20
We got to
years
get
ago.
it from where we can get it.
Let's
You
hear
know,
it, let's hear
wherever
it for
is.
money.
Doesn't matter where it comes from.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Every time this happens, it all turns out the same. Long before this woman of mine thinks that I need train. So just when she's thinking I'll be where I ought to be, well, I get home a little past midnight when she's waiting up for me, and she'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle with the one she loves. The silence is sure to shatter the tension she'll have had enough, and she'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle, man enough to push and shove. She'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle with the one she loves. I might as well be in the army, I might as well be a Marine, 'cause if I'm not on the job or at home, I'm absent without leave. So I stop off at a tavern, and now it's a little past 3. And with my cowboy boots underneath my arms, I'm fumbling with the front door key. But she'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle with the one she loves. The silence is sure to shatter the tension she'll have had enough. And she'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle, man enough to push and shove. She'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle with the one she loves. Well, I don't mean to hurt her, I know that she knows I care, but sometimes the rain she puts on me is a little more than I can bear. So just when she's thinking I'll settle on a home routine, well, I get home a little past midnight, hoping that she'll be asleep. But she'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle with the one she loves. The silence is sure to shatter by tension she'll have had enough. And she'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle, man enough to push and shove. She'll be waiting up, waiting to do battle with the one she loves. And she'll be waiting up, Before we go any further, I need to explain how I wrote that song. It was and I'm not divorced. So what it was I used to jog around the Burbank football field, jogging around for years. And I wrote that song while I was jogging around there one time I got to think about my mother. She always had to have dinner done or dinner eaten at 6 o'clock. And so it was like you either got there or you didn't eat. So I just kind of wrote the song about that. It wasn't about.
I never would have guessed that.
No.
That was
That's not the story I pictured.
No.
I'm sorry to say that right in the middle of your story, I try not to talk too loud, but my brother Louis called. And when my phone rings, I answer it. I don't care if it's in the middle of the show or when I'm sleeping. I never turn it off. Anyway, he sends his love to everybody, and I got to call him after the show. Everything is good. It's all good news. He probably wants to play pool, which I can't beat him in any way, but I still try. Okay, so I kind of missed your story about your song, but I know it wasn't going. Steve, they're calling again. Hang on a second. Wait a minute.
Put him on the microphone.
Oh, well. Hello, Sardo.
I just wanted to call and tell you how much I appreciate the show. It's going really good. I think George.
Jerry McWhorter got me
is
good
doing
again.
great. Yeah.
Okay, now
We'll get back to it.
because of that, I'm not going to miss you so much next week. Good job, Jerry. Caught me off guard.
Up top, yeah.
Anyway, who we got?
It's ringing again.
I know, but I'm not going to answer it.
This one's.
No, you
this
cut
one's
me off.
no, this is not me.
Okay.
This is
What do we got?
that record deal.
Yeah, oh yeah, George, do one more.
Well, let's do a little instrumental here and give the band a chance to shine here a little bit.
Yeah.
How about?
Everybody but the drummer. Let's everybody shine but the drummer. That's a great idea.
Cotton Eye Joe, and I'll kick it off, and we'll just kind of key of A, actually. A.
We weren't sure how to get out of that one. We did okay. What's the singing of it?
Oh, geez. All right. I guess I never go around the mirrors.
Which song?
TV.
Oh, we still got about 12 minutes. Yeah. Put you in?
E.
Still got to do.
I can't stand to see a man go to waste. One who never combs his hair, shaves his face. But a man that leans on wine and loves his cold as ice, Lord, it tears me up to see a grown man cry. So I never go around here. I just can't see me without you by my side. And I never go around here, 'cause I've got a heartache too high. I can't stand to be with a heartaches hang around. It's so easy for the blues to get me down. And to see a grown man crawl is more than I can stand. I can't look into these eyes of half a man. So I never go around mirrors. I just can't see me without you by my side. And I never go around mirrors, 'cause I've got a heartache too high. And it tears me up to see a grown man cry. Never go around memory. Thank you.
Singing good. Paul, you got a quick one, then we'll let George close it out.
Let's do,
How much time we got left, producer? 10 minutes?
no,
8 minutes? 7? All right, Paul.
All right, I'll do a short version of Lake Charles.
Do it.
A vamp in A.
Well, take me to Lake Charles. I could win $100. Buy some milk and mashed potatoes, maybe buy you some flowers. I lost my license when Rita came ashore. Trying to help my sister, I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 I swear if you give me a ride over there, I'll buy the buffet and a dress you can wear. 21's coming to me, I can feel it in my bones. I'll have to change my name to Savings and Loan. So take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. to my name. My cousin come and get me in the drizzling rain. Take me to Lake Charles. 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 I got a little problem, you know. I can't drive legal, I can't drive at all. And Interstate 10 is crawling with the law. The Louisiana troopers, you know they never sleep. Got nasty disposition and they target the free. So take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. 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 Oh, take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles, a wonderful Shiny Ribs song.
Well, folks, that hour flew by, and we had a great time up here at Bob Smith Toyota. He was nice enough to give us a spot to hang out. It's a little hot, but it's okay. We got fans on. We got the picket fence up. That keeps all the riff off the stage. Dan knows who I'm talking about. Anyway, we're going to miss you next week, so you could make it. Huh? George? George, I can't thank you enough.
Well, it's my
coming up to
honor. I appreciate it. It's
Well-
good, as I say, it's good to be anywhere these
Yeah, it
days.
is. You're right. We got to find a spot and pick if we can. Anyway, yeah, we've been doing this for about 14, 15 months. We never
Wow.
missed a Sunday.
That's great.
And cold, rain, we don't care what it is. As long as we got a little roof over our head, we're setting up. And the Wild Country Band is kind of a mishmash of a lot of the players in L.A. that I know, friends of mine, guys like
Yeah.
you, and
Yeah.
and other names I won't drop, just so I won't be dropping names. But you people have seen these players come up, and you know they're good. They're good friends of mine, and we love them.
Yeah.
And
My friend Vince
We're
Gill.
having a good time.
My friend Vince Gill told me never be a name dropper.
you know what? That's good, and I'm glad you listened. Anyway, okay, George, well, you're going to close the show. So, what we do here, I got to give them the format, you know, because this is kind of a fly by the seat of your pants kind of a show. You're going to sing the song. We're going to solo, do whatever we do, and then at the end, we're going to kind of do this, and everybody plays real quiet, and I say goodnight, and then we just go out vamping, and he
sounds
cuts
good.
us off. So that's it. I forgot to tell you that when you got here earlier today. You would have known that.
All right.
Okay, let's rock and roll. What is the song? Hang Your Head and Shine. Let's do it. Is this one of yours? No, it's Bob Wilson.
I'm going to follow you because I don't really know. That's okay.
Well, if we don't do it, we probably got to do
No, that's we love the experiment.
Sure.
Key of D.
Sure. Got it.
Halftime, got it.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. On a Greyhound bus, I'm traveling this morning. leaving me lonesome, ordering me. Her hair was jet black, and her name was Cody. Thought she was a queen of the Mason Street Queen, but she grew tired of her home dream, left her feeling lonely on her beat. Well, we got together and we cashed in our sweets, gave them to a beggar who was mumbling through the streets. There's no escaping from his snowy white dream. Looking kind of lonesome. I'm down in the valley where the wheels move slow, slow. Thought I would pray to the Lord of my soul. I said, do Lord, do right by me. I'm tired of feeling lonesome.
Another one, but I guess I better say goodnight. I can go all night. George, I want to thank you so much for coming
Thank
up
you, sir.
and helping us out. You sounded great. I'm going to have you back soon if you want to do it. The door's open. Thank you, brother. Jimmy, I'll see you next week. Give that lovely wife of yours my love. Dan, have a good trip. Sorry you're not going to be with us. Jerry, have a good tour.
Thank you.
Have fun. Tell the guys in the band, give them my love. Well,
Carmine,
let's go back to the families and support them this week,
let's
Paul.
do it.
Got to buy some shoes and food
Oh.
and...
Colleen told me to say hi to George.
Oh,
Hi from Colleen.
George, Colleen says hi. Paul's wife sends her love to you.
So, Colleen, I said hello.
Is that your wife's name, Tony?
Tell her.
Colleen. Oh, I thought you said that. Okay, I heard wrong again. Hey, anyway, we love you. We're going to see you next week. Tell your friends. Keep calling in. Keep watching the show. We're having a good time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Good night, Detroit.